In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add call asset in Google Ads. First, make sure you're signed into your Google Ads account with the right access. We're going to set up a phone call conversion so calls from your ads, including call assets, can be tracked properly. This ensures you can measure which campaigns, ads, and keywords are driving real conversations. From your account, go to Goals, then select Conversions. This is the central place where all your conversion actions live and where you can add new ones for accurate reporting. On the Conversions page, choose Summary so you can see the overview and the button to create something new. Next, click Create Conversion. This opens the workflow where Google Ads walks you through the setup. When prompted for the source, choose Phone Calls. Phone call conversions track calls that happen as a direct result of your ads, including when someone taps a call asset on mobile or calls your number from the ad. Click Save and continue to confirm that selection and move forward. You'll now refine what kind of phone call conversion you're setting up. Choose Phone Call Lead to indicate that a successful phone call from your ad counts as a lead for your business. Then click Add Conversion to create this specific action. When asked how to count these conversions, select Once. Counting once is best for lead generation because it prevents multiple calls from the same person from inflating your numbers and gives you a clearer view of unique leads. Click Save and continue to lock in those settings. You'll see a quick summary of what you just configured. If anything looks off, you can go back and adjust before finalizing. Otherwise, click Finish. That's it. The phone call conversion for your call asset is created. From here, anytime your ads use call assets and users call through those ads, Google Ads can record those calls as conversions based on the setup you just completed. A few quick tips to keep in mind. Use a clear, descriptive name for your conversion so it's easy to identify in reports, and review the default settings like conversion window, value, and attribution. If you have specific KPIs, you can always revisit and refine those later without changing the steps you completed today. With this done, your account is ready to measure phone call leads that come directly from your ads, giving you better insight and smarter optimization opportunities. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.